Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sabrina and this channel is The Hopeful Minimalist. On this channel, I love to talk about all things handbags without any judgment. So you probably landed here if you're a handbag lover. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of any new videos. I'm really excited about today's video because I do have an unboxing to share with you. And I'm also excited because I'm playing catch up. I've been kind of MIA, just busy with everything except YouTube, and I'm happy to be back. Today we'll be unboxing a bag that's fresh from the Runway. It is the Coach Barrel Kisslock bag. I was lucky enough to place an order for one after the recent Runway show, and honestly, I've been waiting on the right moment to unbox it. I have not peeked at it. I removed it from the box and I sat the whole thing in the closet, just kind of waiting on the right moment, the right mood. I didn't want to feel rushed. I wanted to be perfectly relaxed, in a good headspace when I filmed this video. Before I dive into the unboxing though, I do want to share something else that's equally as special and has been kind of brightening my day lately. And that is these preserved roses from Rose Forever. I recently shared a short video talking about these roses and how it's important to pause and smell the roses. I heard of Rose Forever from YouTube myself and actually made my first purchase a few months ago. I sent a bouquet to a family member who had been in the hospital. I wanted to just give them something beautiful to look at, and of course, they smell wonderful. And so that was my first experience with Rose Forever, and that relative of mine was very happy. So I knew that I would love these when Rose Forever reached out to me. I think it was purely coincidental, but they did reach out to me and they sent me these as a gift. I love them. I love the color. I love neutrals. I love cool colors, and these are beautiful. When I walk by these, I can smell them slightly. There's not an overpowering smell from these roses, but they do smell very good. These roses will last for a year or longer, and you don't have to do anything to them. You don't need to water them. Just keep them out of the direct sunlight. Care for them by keeping them in a safe place. But other than that, you don't have to do anything for maintenance. If they get dusty, you can brush off the dust and they'll be just fine. So thank you to Rose Forever for sending me this beautiful gift. I do have a link to purchase these in the description box, as well as a coupon that you can use to save some money on your purchase. You probably see the big purse in the room sitting here. This is the large Kisslock bag from Coach. I have had this bag for 6 months and it's been sitting in my closet waiting on the perfect high fashion outfit, which never came and probably won't ever come for me because I'm just not a high fashion type. Yeah, this is what I'm currently using, but I do have a sneaking suspicion that I'm about to change into another bag, the one that we're about to unbox, which also happens to be kind of a Kisslock type bag. So let's get to the unboxing. The Coach Runway show was about 2 weeks ago, so that is how long this bag has been sitting. And honestly, I've just been really busy with everything except for YouTube. I didn't want to rush the unboxing. I wanted to enjoy it. I wanted it to be the right moment. And so I think today is that day. I hope that this is not too loud. I want to kind of talk you through the ordering process. So if you're familiar with the Coach Runway shows, they usually will have an opportunity for customers to place an order for some of the items that were featured in the Runway show right after the Runway show, or it could be several hours later that same day. This is the Kisslock barrel bag. I placed an order for this, I think it was right after the Runway show went off, if I remember correctly. All right, let's put all of the attention on the Kisslock of this moment, which is the barrel Kisslock. So I got the one in the color Nuage, which of course is the pinky shade. The bag is made of suede and it has gold hardware or brass hardware. So it's fully wrapped. I have had plenty of time to watch so many videos of this bag because I'm probably the only person who is just now unboxing theirs 2 weeks later. But like I said, that has given me a lot of time to watch other people unbox theirs. It has given me an opportunity to see what their #1 complaints are, which have been the strap so far. I'm seeing a lot of people say that it's not a great strap length for them. It feels pretty comfortable for me, and that's because I know it's stuffed and it probably won't fit this way when I'm actually wearing it. So I'm not really discouraged from that perspective, but let's finish unpacking. I love the color, I can say that. This was my favorite color out of all the options that were available. So that's how the inside looks. It's the fabric lining. I finally got all of the wrapping off of the bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and say that I don't remember seeing a dust bag, but I'm about to look through this huge pile of paper on my floor because there's surely a dust bag somewhere. This is the suede barrel Kisslock bag in the color Nuage. This is the tag. So it's this beautiful, like dusty pink color suede. It has the gold or the brass hardware. I love the color. The zipper is really chunky. This is how the inside of the bag looks. It's the fabric lining, and there's one pocket with the snap closure. And there is this leather creed on the inside that has a special message. There's actually a picture of the bag there, and it also says, "This is a Coach bag crafted to last. This reimagination of our iconic barrel bag style was too good to leave in the archives." So the message is specially written for this bag. So that's the inside. Very smooth, chunky zipper. And then you have the two handles. They are not adjustable or removable. There's a Coach hang tag in suede. Yeah, there's just one hang tag. On these re-editions, I've been noticing that there's usually 2 hang tags, but there's only one on here. I don't know if that's right or wrong. Anywho, on the straps, they're suede on this side, on the outer side, and then they look like, they feel like a lambskin leather on the other side, but I don't know exactly what type of leather that is. It's just really soft. On the front side of the bag, there's a mini Kisslock compartment that opens like that. And this compartment is leather. It feels like that same soft leather that's on the other side of the strap. Very soft. It's not a very deep pocket, so it's not going to fit a phone, I don't think. At least not my phone. You can like sit a phone in there, I guess, if you absolutely needed to, but it doesn't fit in either direction. This is an iPhone 16 Pro. So I wanted to go ahead and clear this up. I do have a dust bag. It was just buried in all of the paper that came out of the bag. Yeah, she's back in the frame. This was going to be my bag of the day, but I cannot resist this beautiful pink. It's gorgeous. It is totally me. For a moment, I thought, did I get the right color? Because, you know, there was this camel shade, I believe. Then there was like a brown, and then this gray brown. I don't remember if there was a black one or not, but I know that I got the right color. This is me. So I want to see what I can fit in here from here. Obviously, not everything is going to fit. I have a lot of things in this bag, large items like my Coach notebook that has my iPad mini kind of just nestled in there. All right, so this is my Coach notebook. It's in there, and the bag is tall enough. So let's see if it would sit flat. It does sit flat inside of there also, which is probably the best way for me to put it in there for now. We'll see. I have lots of pouches because the inside of the large Kisslock is very large. So I would not use all of these necessarily with this bag. This is my dress up your purse pouch that I am using for makeup. I think I can keep this one, and plus it matches perfectly. And I'm using this dress up your purse envelope pouch for other little miscellaneous things like hand sanitizer spray, a mirror, an ink pen. Let's just see if it would fit. It would probably be better to put it right on top of the notebook. It's in there. It's in there. And it would zip. So let's see if this one would go over here. Yep. There's room over on the side for the smaller pouch. And then I've got this envelope pouch. I have cash and cards in there. So that's like my wallet. And then I have my travel keyboard for my iPad, which we're experimenting here. Everything's in there, but it's taking on kind of a weird shape because of all of those items and because of how they're shaped. I like that a lot better. That's how the shape of the bag looks with those items. And it fits nicely. It's really comfortable. This is how it fits underneath my arm. It feels great, not uncomfortable at all. And this is pretty much going to be the way you wear it on your body, besides if you were to just carry it like this. Again, this is the Nuage color. I'm in love with the color. I'm seriously doubting that this is any of your first times seeing this bag because, as we discussed, I'm way late to the party and this has just been sitting in my closet for 2 weeks. So there have been plenty of videos made. Let me know what you think about this bag. If you got one, let me know how your experience has been using it. Have you used any kind of protectant on it? This is suede, so I think this might be my first suede bag, and I don't really know how to protect it. It's a sunny day today, so I don't really have any concerns about wearing it out, but this is a light color. I have read that 300 of these were made. I don't know if it was 300 in each color or if it was just 300, but either way, I feel lucky to have snagged one from the website, and going to take her out and enjoy her today. Look how they match the flowers. Thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to check out Rose Forever with the link in the description box and use that coupon to save some money. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.